Okay, so this is the new M9 Racing ECU, which is also plug and play, instantly an improvement from the old M5. With the new 4-core MCU chipset, it's going to be more user-friendly, it's going to be more durable, and it's going to be faster response. So compared to the old M5 version, the M9 now has built-in Bluetooth, which can seamlessly connect to your PC or smartphone device at ease. So we're going to be breaking down this new M9 ECU brought to you by Racing as we do a quick tutorial. Once you've unboxed your package, you'll find the M9 Racing ECU that comes together with a tuning cable that goes for your ECU connecting to your PC. Not only does the M9 come with 15 new features, but it also comes with things like auto-tuning for so much more convenience. It comes with a refined and enhanced mapping table for all you tuners out there, and it also comes with a live monitoring system for you to check on your engine temp, your oil temp, everything on the go. So those are only 3 things that I'm looking forward to in the M9 ECU. There's 12 other things that we're going to be digging into or that you'll be discovering with your new M9 ECU. The M9 is plug and play, but before you can have fun, you're going to need to download the software on the Racing website. You're going to head to umaracing.com, go to Products, Electronic Systems, then you're going to see ECU M9, you want to click on that, and then you can scroll all the way down and download it on PC. On your tuning cable, you've got one to connect to your PC and the other side to connect to your ECU. You take your ECU, you want to connect the smaller cable to your ECU, like that, and then you want to take the bigger cable and connect it to your PC. While the tuning cable is connected, you want to match and connect the wiring harness to the big socket on your ECU and push it until you hear a click. Okay, so now that your ECU is connected to your PC and as well connected to your bike, you want to jump on your laptop or your PC, head on to M9 tuning tools, and then you want to make sure that you've connected the right model with the right ECU map. So how you can do that is you can click the connect button and then you go to cloud data, and bang, just make sure that your bike matches with the same ECU map that you're trying to choose. So for example, today we are using the Yamaha Y15, also known as the Yamaha Y-Suku in Malaysia, with a 62mm bore, a standard stroke, an R1 camshaft, and a back pressure exhaust, all done by Racing. So you know it's not a standard bike, it's a little bit faster, a little bit more modified. It will fall under the 177cc class. So over here we're going to take the 177cc and then we're going to send the map to the ECU on the bike. So while you wait for the map to be sent over to your ECU, this process is going to take about 1 to 3 minutes. Once the mapping has been transferred, you want to save this file. You can name it anything you want, it's completely up to you. You can use a number plate, you can use your bike model. Yep. Okay, now that you're done saving the file, you want to open the file that you just saved. You're going to click on the file icon that's on the top left of your screen, locate your file and then press open. Now you click on the blue connect button again. This will also be on the top left of your screen, and as you can see, now you have full access to all the tuning tools. Now we're going to go step by step on how to properly calibrate your throttle position sensor. One of the many features, one of 15 features in this Racing M9 ECU. So to calibrate, now you want to click on the TPS button on top of your screen, then press Start TPS Learn, twist your throttle all the way open and then hold it there until it says complete. Close the pop-up, click on the blue connect button on the top left of your screen, and then as you're twisting your throttle, you can see that your TPS is now synchronized with your ECU. Other than adjusting your TPS, one of my favorite features with this new M9 ECU chip is being able to adjust your backfire and your idle loop. Idle loop is basically manipulating your bike RPMs when your bike is still stationary. The idle loop comes with 3 different presets that will sound like this. For the first one, the second, Installing this was so easy and super straightforward. I'm sure all of you guys are going to have so much fun with it. Not to mention, all of these features can also be controlled wirelessly, either through your smartphone or your PC. So don't forget to pick up your own M9 ECU chip by Uma Racing at all authorized dealers. Look out for this specific sticker. It's hologram, it's holographic, it's shiny. That means it's original. I'll see you guys next time.